Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're bringing you, or very excited to bring you, a Silver Fox XW GT Falcon 1969. Look at that. What a standout car for 1969. Those fluoro orange stripes, red walls to match. It's a beautiful car. This is an older restoration, restored about 12 years ago, but still presents very well. Really wouldn't do anything, it's just a lovely driver. Look at that. So it's not like over restored, but just magic. There you go. Silver Fox. I haven't seen one of these for something like 12 years. I think since the last time we sold this one. But look at that, Subaru. I'll just pop the bonnet for you. Look at that there. Hold on. So these are Windsor powered. So the Windsor 351, this is a factory top loader car, so 4-speed. There you've got your GL number saying that it's a manual car from factory. Your original VIN number stamping. And there you go, TL8 and B. A black trim Silver Fox manual. Look at that. How nice is that? Powered by Ford. 351 high performance, running a Holly. You see there, a Holly. But yeah, very, very nice car. We're going to have to put the phone down for a sec. Okay, just 1 second, I'll show you quickly inside the car. So it's pretty much a combination of original and some redone, like the seat trims have been redone, door cards, crash pad, but most of it original. Yeah, definitely the seats have been redone. Rare to have them survive. There you've got the 6 grand tacho, which is right for the Windsor clock. All the gauges work. There you go, very nice. So what we're going to do, a couple of passes. So a couple of enthusiastic passes, Chris. Listen to this go. Plenty of get up and go in the old Windsor. Love it. I love it. This really reminds me of Bill Burke standing at Ford in Melbourne, standing next to one of these. The Silver Fox, just a standout colour. So we'll just do have a look at it, and then listen to this baby go. Okay. Mate, they go, don't they? Put a smile from ear to ear. Okay, let's jump in and have a drive. Just hold on. Oh, I'll get in the back. Hold on. Now, because it's 69, there's no seat belts, so What you have to do is sit down and hold on. Plenty of get up and go, what? Sounded good. So all the gauges are working. 6 grand tacho, as I said. You don't need any music, you just listen to that beautiful burble out those little tailpipes. She goes well, Chris, hey?
Yes.
Not every day you get to go for a drive in a Silver Fox XW GT. Sitting in the back. Have a look out the back. Beautiful. This is like being at Bathurst with the smaller cars in front of us, and they got to get out of the way for the big 351s coming down Conrod. Here we go, back into the garage. Anyway, thank you for coming for a run.